Hello everyone, we are Team 7 and we have created this website for our OS project that focuses on different algorithms used in operating system. Here we have a navigation bar that has algorithms having a drop down menu, a about and a board section. Here there is a Team 7 logo and these are the links that take you to the simulation page. Now, by clicking on About, we will get the information about the team members. This website has been created by five of us: Kavisha Shah, Dev Patel, Nishil Patel, Prasan Parikh, and Pratham Modi. Take a closer look at different aspects of this website and functionality as it aims to explain some of the different algorithms in an interactive manner. Now, by clicking on algorithms in the navigation bar, we will get a drop down menu, and by clicking on the algorithm, we will directly get into the information page and we have an option for directly entering into the simulator. Now, let us look at the first algorithm, that is round robin. Round robin is a type of scheduling algorithm that defines how much time a CPU must be allotted to which process and when. In a round robin algorithm, each and every task runs turn by turn and only for limited time slice. And this algorithm offers starvation free execution of processes, as it is a real time algorithm that responds to the event within a specific time and is one of the fairest and oldest algorithm in the scheduling. Now, here are some advantages and disadvantages for the same, and let us simulate the algorithm. Now, let us insert the value for the time quantum, the process ID, arrival time, and the burst time. Here, the delete is used to delete the row. By clicking on add row, we will get some rows add, and by clicking on calculate we will get the result of the desired input. So the values are inserted. Now let us click on calculate to get the output for the same. Here is the output for the inserted values, and the average turnaround time and average waiting time is also calculated alongside. The Gantt chart is also represented as follows. Now, let us get into our second algorithm, that is Banker's algorithm. Banker's algorithm is a resource allocation and deadlock detection algorithm that tests for safety by simulating the allocated predetermined values. It is a combination of two main algorithms, that is safety algorithm and resource request algorithm, and it is mainly used in the banking system to check whether the loan can be sanctioned to a person or not. Here are some advantages and disadvantages of the banker's algorithm, and by clicking on the simulator we will get into the simulation page. Enter the value for the instances for A, B, and C. Enter the process number and the values for allocated and max need. Now by clicking on calculate we will get the result. Here the process sequence is printed and it shows our system does not possess a deadlock. From now my fellow team member Kavisha Shah will further guide you.
I'm Kavisha Shah, and today I'm going to explain scan and C-scan disk scheduling. The scan and C-scan disk scheduling algorithms play a crucial role in determining the order in which disk access requests are processed by an operating system. These algorithms aim to minimize the head moment of the disk and increase overall system efficiency, which is the key to achieving optimal performance. Now, let us understand these algorithms. In the scan algorithm, the disk arm moves in a single direction, serving requests in the order they appear. Once it reaches the end of the disk, it immediately reverses its direction and begins serving the request in the opposite direction. This back and forth motion resembles a scanning pattern. So here, this is an example we have taken. The initial head point is 45 and the direction is from right. These are our process IDs and the track number. So by applying the scan algorithm, this is our sequence in which our processes will be executed. The C-scan algorithm, on the other hand, only moves in one direction and serves requests in that same direction only. After reaching the end of the disk, it immediately returns to the starting point without serving any requests along the way. This ensures that all requests in one direction are completed before moving on to the next direction, which can be advantageous in certain scenarios.
MRU page algorithm stands for most recently used page algorithm. It is a technique used by operating system to decide which page should be removed from the memory when new data needs to be loaded and the memory is full. This algorithm works by keeping track of the pages that was accessed most recently and selecting the most recently used page for removal. In this example, we have entered the frame size as 4 and this is our reference string. By applying MRU page replacement algorithm, this is the output which we receive. When the CPU attempts to obtain a needed page from the main memory and the page exists in the main memory, it is known as page hit. And if it does not exist, it is known as page fault. In this example, we have received 2 hit and our hit ratio is 15.38% and we have received 11 page faults and our page fault ratio is 84.62%. Here we have created a section for you to play games when you're bored. We have included 3 games: Blinking Block, which is a game of memory, Match the Arrows, which is a game of accuracy and alertness, and RGB Guesser to test the knowledge of a color theory.